Welcome to the 7-Day Money Manifestation Challenge. This recording is designed to help you do more than just shift your mindset. It's created to help you generate real, tangible cash flow within the next 7 days. And let's be clear, I'm not only talking about feeling abundant or just thinking positively, although mindset is absolutely crucial. My true goal for you: to help you see actual money show up, whether in your hands or in your bank account, by the end of this week. So, no matter which day you're on day 1, day 3, or day 7, I'm so glad you're here. Let's make this a powerful week of transformation. Listen to this recording every morning for the next 7 days without skipping. Make it part of your morning routine, while you're getting ready, commuting, or journaling. 2. Repeat the affirmations out loud or in your mind. Speaking them helps solidify the beliefs. 3. For extra impact, write them down or print them out and read them throughout your day. Tape them to your mirror, fridge, or desk. It's only a 7-day commitment. You've got this. 4. And this is super important. Every single day, comment below this video with real-life evidence of abundance showing up in your life. This could be anything, from landing a new gig or unexpected income, to finding loose change or receiving a surprise gift. Nothing is too big or small. Every sign reinforces your money magnetism. Now, let's jump into your daily affirmations. I'll say each one. Pause after me and repeat them, out loud if possible, or silently in your mind. I'm abundant. Today, I welcome money into my life. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Today, I am hyper-aware of money-making opportunities. I am open and ready to receive new streams of income. Today, I activate my wealth potential. I am abundance personified. Today, I see evidence of abundance all around me. I am a prosperity magnet. Today, I recognize money-making opportunities. My inner guidance reveals countless profitable ideas. Today, I act on my inspired ideas. Let's repeat those once more with intention. I am abundant. Today, I welcome money into my life. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. Today, I am hyper-aware of money-making opportunities. I am open and ready to receive new streams of income. Today, I activate my wealth potential. I am abundance personified. Today, I see evidence of abundance all around me. I am a prosperity magnet. Today, I recognize money-making opportunities. My inner guidance reveals countless profitable ideas. Today, I act on my inspired ideas. Amazing job! You've just taken a powerful step towards welcoming more wealth into your life. Don't forget, come back here each day and post in the comments how money or abundance is showing up for you. Remember to look for it. You attract more of what you focus on. Focus on wealth, not the lack of it. That's how you train your mind and the universe to respond.